Andy, it's a very warm and victorious welcome back to the JD Cymru Premier.
Well, it's nice to be back, but it's not very warm, is it? But no, it's a great start for myself. Came in last week, Steve gave me a ring, and I haven't had a great deal to do or anything to say, but it's a great start.
And how would you assess the performance today?
Yeah, I thought it was in patches. I thought we looked very good. Some patches we could have been a little bit better and a little bit more precise in our passing, but all in all, I thought we probably controlled the game.
And the surprising announcement yesterday, you became head coach. It's very unusual because Barri have been doing well. They were very unfortunate not to make the top six. You're taking over a team that's in a great place at the moment.
Yeah, absolutely, and you can see the strength and depth they got on the bench as well. I was impressed with the way they played and the way they passed the ball. As I say, maybe a little bit more possessive and a little bit quicker, and I think we'll be okay.
Lee, Barri are the informed team at the moment. Difficult place to come, but I'm sure you're desperately disappointed with the defeat today.
Yeah, I thought it was two good teams who are trying to play good football. But ultimately, we've hurt ourselves with lads not picking up from set pieces. We give them their jobs, and it's the second time now the same player has conceded a goal. He doesn't mean to, but obviously he's cost us a goal. And then the first and third goals are carbon copies of each other. All the players have to do is talk and see the run come through. But they don't. They try and track the run, and one ball beats us over the top. And the goals are disappointing because I think they only had about 4 chances and scored 3, and that's all that matters.
Kieran, I'm sure you'll admit it wasn't your best performance today, but it was an important 3 points, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's what I think it is at the minute. It's about getting 3 points from every game. There's different ways to win games. So yeah, we're just delighted to get the 3 points.
And talk us through the equalising goal for Fflint. It was a bit bizarre one.
Yeah, I'm up from it, so I went too close to it. But I'm hearing it was a bit of a push and stuff. I'm not sure, but yeah, we bounced back nicely from it. Got a goal then before half time, and then yeah, put it to bed then in the second half.
And coming out in the second half, the next goal was really important, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely. It always is. It kills off the game, or they're straight back in it. So yeah, I felt like we come out the second half. Rode it well, then put it to bed.
I've said it all along, is unfortunately the calibre of player we're bringing in is either from the league below or young kids, and unfortunately they've got to learn on the job, and we can't we can demand a little bit more of them, but ultimately they've been playing at them levels for a reason. So we've also got to understand that the predicament we're in terms of can't beat them too much, but they need to understand that 3 points matters on a Saturday.